Camera's on and going. Does it sound like fuel's coming through?
It would stop when you think.
Do you see anything dripping down below?
I don't see anything dripping. All you're doing is priming it?
Yeah, I'm moving fuel from the tank to the engine. Seems like that should be enough. Yeah, baby.
So to die by your side of this, a heavenly way to die, man. Okay, are we on camera?
So, yes.
Oh,
You were on camera.
edit. Later on, edit.
Yeah.
She's awesome.
Get that back window shut all the way. Power steering.
Yeah, strong arm. It takes a little bit.
And everybody's gone for the day.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to do it moving too.
Yes. It was like, yeah.
Oh my god, my arms are gonna get bulked on this thing.
Yeah. Strong arm steering.
So when did you first hear about this car? When did I tell you? How long has it been?
God, it's been forever.
Probably at least since the Concours in
Yeah,
2000.
before that though, because you kept saying, "Oh, I've got this old car."
And you're just like, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever. I had no idea though. There was no idea. Something this amazing.
You can almost go in second. It's so low gear.
Yeah, it's just thump, 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 thump. Look at this, they're pointing us out over there. Both the guys came out of the shop just to come take a look at it.
So I don't necessarily want to go a long ways.
No, but this is just
we would go somewhere, stop, get some fuel,
Yeah.
start it back up, and go home.
Yeah, but I'm in.
It's a fucking win. Look at that.
Yeah, smooth.
Chugs along. Probably speeding.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The guy pulls out front. Yeah, no problem.
I've only got rear drum brakes, so
Yeah.
I'm not going to be stopping on the dime. This will be interesting.
What size is it? Oh, it's on the back.
Yeah. But I think, is he regular or super?
Super.
Super duper. Let's see, quarter there. That's just up from the bottom. Everything is on. No, I can't hear the fuel pump.
I think it's fine because it's probably got plenty in it. That's so good. Mad scientist. nobody in Portland is cruising around.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
If this easy,
Yeah.
I'll keep doing it.
Yeah. That's the best. I like the guy in the Prius. He was a little lost. I like how you, yeah.
It's not every corner is a crosswalk.
Yes. And you got kids. Yeah, it's the one.
It's easy to turn as long as you're
Yeah,
moving.
on one it's moving. Sounds really good. Nice. Going a hill.
And I'm just taking it easy.
Thing pulls beautifully.